you don't feel like spending too much time in the kitchen cooking African food, because you know it's gonna take at least 2 hours, well, just season your chicken, pop it in the oven, add a few things on the side to it, and you got a meal. Let's get right to the video. So start with chicken bouillon, 1 teaspoon, yellow mustard, 1/4 teaspoon, onion powder, 1/4 teaspoon, and garlic powder, 1/4 teaspoon, and then add some parsley flakes, 1/2 teaspoon, and 1 teaspoon paprika, now we're making a chicken thigh, and just 1 chicken thigh. Rub enough olive oil on it to give it that crispiness. I would say about 1 tablespoon total. Just rub both sides with the olive oil. And then rub the seasoning mix on the chicken thigh. Now transfer that to a baking sheet. Align it with aluminum foil. And roast it on 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Make sure you poke into it and test it. Once the thermometer reads 165 degrees Fahrenheit, it is ready to serve and eat. All right, see you guys in the next video.